In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar view in Trello. We'll walk through the steps to add and utilize the calendar power-up, enhancing your ability to organize and visualize your projects. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website. If you're not already logged in, you will see an option in the top right corner labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, you can see different ways to log in, but for ease and convenience today, we're going to click on Google. Select your Google account, and just like that, you're logged into Trello. Now locate and open your Trello board. If you're managing multiple boards, make sure you're on the one you want to enhance with the calendar power-up. The goal here is to give ourselves a powerful tool to visualize our project timelines. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option called Power-Ups. Click on this and it will open a menu. This is where Trello offers various add-ons to extend the functionality of your boards. What we're interested in is adding some calendar capabilities, so let's continue to the next step. Within the Power-Ups menu, find and click on Add Power-Ups. This opens a marketplace of options. In the search bar, type in Calendar Power-Up. As you type, the list will filter, bringing up the Calendar Power-Up option that we need. When you see the calendar power-up, click on it. A brief description and an option to add it to your board should appear. Click on Add. You've now successfully integrated the calendar into your Trello board. No need to be overwhelmed. Adding power-ups can seem technical, but Trello makes it quite user-friendly. Once you've added it, close out of the marketplace by clicking on the cross or close option, depending on your interface. This will take you back to your board, where you'll see the magic unfold. At the top right, near where we initially clicked on Power-Ups, you'll now notice the Calendar Power-Up visible. Give it a click, and there you have it. You've successfully added and accessed the Calendar Power-Up on Trello. This feature now enables you to view all your tasks organized by date, making it easier to manage deadlines and keep track of your workflow. If you've ever found yourself losing track of deadlines or needing a clearer way to visualize your project timeline, this calendar view is a game changer. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to optimize your productivity tools. Until next time, happy organizing.